Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya Khanna and today I'm going to show you how to clean fake lashes or how I clean my fake lashes. Some people throw their lashes after 1 or 2 use, but I don't think that's a good idea because good lashes cost a lot and I personally prefer to wash it and reuse it, and it is hygiene to clean lashes. So these are my dirty lashes with layers of mascara, lash glue and glitter on it. Take a look. I use this a lot mainly in my YouTube tutorials and they are really dirty, and now I cannot use it like this, so let's clean it. So these are the dirty lashes that I'm going to clean. These don't only look dirty but they are also full of bacteria that are really harmful for your eyes. I'll be using only 2 products. One is this coconut oil and the second one is face wash. You can also use mild shampoo or mild soapy water instead of face wash. Make sure your hands are nicely clean. So first I'm placing this lash on my palm and adding some drops of coconut oil. Coconut oil will help in removing all the mascara from your lashes. Rub it with very light hands so that the lash doesn't come off from the lash band. Make sure every last bit of your mascara is removed from these falsies. Repeat the same thing with second lash. You can also use Garnier Micellar water if you don't have coconut oil. Coming to the second step, take lukewarm water in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of face wash into the bowl and stir well to make it soapy. Now dip your falsies into this bowl and give them a little massage. And set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. Lukewarm soapy water will help in removing all the mascara and lash glue from your lashes. And see how this water is getting dirty. As this water is soapy, your fingers can slip while removing lash glue, so it's better to use tweezers to remove it. My lashes are full of lash glue. Make sure you do it gently and slowly. Don't plug the band. Repeating the same thing on my second lash and see how it's coming out. Also wash it once with a clean water and put them on a tissue paper to make it dry. If you still feel that your lashes are not clean enough like new one, you can repeat the second step. Now I'm combing it out with a spoolie to make it look more beautiful. Always place your lashes in your eyelash case so that the curved shape of your lashes can be maintained, and now you can use it again to make your eyes look more beautiful. So this is how the water is looking after cleaning lashes. All the lash glue, glitters and mascara are in this water. Transferring it into a white bowl so that you can see how dirty it is actually. Always wash your lashes after 2 to 3 use to maintain hygiene and to protect your eyes from harmful chemicals. And lashes also feel light when you use them after cleaning. So this was really quick and easy method to clean lashes at home. Try this method and do tell me in the comment section what do you like about this. Till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel Tanya Khanna, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.